Dean Nelson, you have the wonderful advantage of having been the first woman dean of an ABA-accredited law school, and Dean McKelvey was the second. That provided a huge role model for so many of us. Could you speak about that a bit?
It's such an honor to be here today in honor of Judith McKelvey, because she, at Golden Gate, was a marvelous mentor to women, and I think she was a great success because people would do what she wanted them to do simply because she was so smart and yet so agreeable. She had a wonderful personality and was so attractive in the way she put forth ideas that you were bound to sit and shake your head and say, that sounds good to me.
I know, of course, that Dean McKelvey had a huge interest in diversity. I know that you did also. Could you talk to us about that?
Dean McKelvey was a real leader in this area. First of all, I noticed she started to try to increase the number of women law students, but also women of color, women and men of color. And I could tell that Golden Gate, just as you looked at the legal newspapers, was making great strides, and more Golden Gate students were becoming judges and becoming heads of important bar committees. And I think Judy was a very great role model for that. She truly will go down in history as one of the great women leaders, not just as a dean or as a lawyer, but as a woman and as a model for all women aspiring to assume, and not just to be deans and judges and lawyers, but assuming leadership positions in the community.